Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Welcome to day 2 of the 10-day wire bookmark making challenge. Be sure to check out all the details below the video to learn how to participate in the challenge and win great prizes like wire and tools from Beadalon, templates and tutorials from my Etsy DIY shop, and custom-made wire jewelry from my Etsy shop. Today we're making little stick figure paperclip style bookmarks using 16 gauge wire. I'm using the artistic copper wire, and with my round pliers I'm just gradually making little loops around each side, getting bigger and bigger as we go to make something that looks like a paperclip. So we have our shape of the paperclip, and then we're going to bend it across where the shoulders are and bend the wire down, still using the round pliers, and bend it up for the arm. These are very stylized. I have some smaller round pliers that I'm using to make the tighter bends, and then we're going to bend it up at the foot. Again, not doing too much detail, keeping them very simple. Bend it down and making sure it's about the same length. We're going to bend it back up to finish the second leg. Straighten the wire up as you go and just adjust it with your thumb and your finger to straighten it out. And then we're going to bend it down under the arm. Again, you can use the finer round nose pliers. And then we're going to bend it up where the bottom of the arm would be. So bend it straight up, and then we're going to just adjust it again if we need to, and we'll bend it across at the other shoulder. So we have the body done, and then I'm just going to get a round form. Maybe use a Sharpie is better for the size, depends on how big you make it. We're going to make the head and then bend the wire straight up in the middle so we can add a bead. So I'm going to put an 8mm miracle bead on there, and then we need to wind the wire around to hold that bead in place. So hold it firmly with your thumb and your finger and bring that wire around, and then we'll just clip it flush. And then we can get our flat pliers just to push in that little pokey end, do any little last minute adjustments to straighten it out, and there's our little stick figure bookmark. You could also make a little skirt shape to make the little girl shape bookmark. And then this time, instead of doing the circle first, I just put the bead on first. Again, it's an 8mm miracle bead. We're going to hold it with our thumb and finger, and we are going to bend the wire around. We want to do a full turn around. You could bend it a little beyond where you want it to go, and then loosen it up so it makes the circle a little bit bigger. And then we're just going to finish it up at the back. So again, I'm just going to loosen it up to make the circle a little bigger. Bring it around to the center back and clip it flush, and then push in that little pokey end. Do any little last minute adjustments, and there you have your little girl bookmark, and we have a little pair. Thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for all kinds of wire art and jewelry making tutorials. You can share photos of your work from the challenges in the 10-day challenges private Facebook group for the duration of the challenge only. If the challenge is over, you can still join the group to view work from previous challenges and stay tuned for future challenges. Thank you to Beadalon for supplying the prizes for my 10-day challenges. Thank you to everyone who participates and shares their beautiful creations. And we'll see you the next time.